Why?
There's a boy. I'm getting the flag. Look up. Look up doing that.
What are their names?
Ew, there's a bunch of them. You can eat them. They've been dying.
Huh?
They've been dying.
What?
They're bad nights.
Oh, they're bad nights?
They're good nights.
What are their names, though? Do they have names?
Uh-huh.
What are their names?
They're good nights.
Oh.
Yeah. He don't want it.
He doesn't want it? Is he full?
He is full. He eats some sand.
Oh, he did?
Uh-huh.
Uh-oh, that probably made his tummy hurt.
Maybe just do his tummy.
No, it probably makes it feel okay.
He eats it.
Okay.
It's a flower for you.
Oh, thank you.
This is a flower for baby fish.
So nice. Thank you.
This is a flower for me. They all have flowers.
Mm-hmm.
I
You-
am a flower.
You have a good imagination.
It's a flower.